Hello friends, today I would like to discuss on the topic of another NDT method, that is radiation testing. What is radiation testing and what are the application of radiation testing in the oil and gas industry? For radiation emitting, we definitely use isotopes. So the isotopes that we basically use in radiation testing are cobalt, iridium. These are the isotopes that we basically employ in emitting radiations. These emitted radiations are basically used for weld inspection of welding joints. Radiation testing gives you a good volumetric scanning of complete steel plates and pipes, pressure vessels. It has a huge application in the oil and gas industry, and it is the major technique that is basically employed by all the major oil and gas companies. For doing radiation testing inside, you should be certified as ASNT level 2 radiation testing NDT inspector, because this is a certification that will gives you authorization for performing and witnessing the inspections that are basically performed by third party for a particular construction project.